Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the installations of the decal, this one that we received from the DMV. So there's a couple methods that you guys can do. You can just apply this straight into the car, or you can put on a magnet, or you can put on a paint protection film, which I will be doing. Okay, so I bought this from Amazon. I think about 15 bucks. It comes with a total of four decals, two big ones and two small ones. And the instructions from Amazon or from the website itself, it does tells you exactly what to do. You can either scan the QR code, and then it'll take you to the site where it shows you how to. There's a video that you can watch and do the installation yourself, or you can just go to like this website here, evwraps.com and /CA and HOV. All right. So there's a lot of people asking, hey, like which decals going to what? Well, if you receive the letter for the instruction from the DMV, it tells you specifically here. The large decals goes into the quarter panel in the back, okay? And the small ones are in the front bumper. And this is exactly where you should place the decals, okay? So you can see it's right here, well, right there, and then right here. And for the small ones, it's right in the front over here and over here. So don't be confused, okay? So right now, I'm just gonna apply the decal onto the paint protection film. Then I'm gonna go outside to my car, and then I'm gonna apply it onto the car itself. Làm lại. Bụi quá. Ui. Okay. Just like this. And like this. If I like this too. Squeeze it a little bit. Really nice. There you go. Nice. Nhầm chỗ nào vậy? All right, guys. So we're finally done with the decal. So reason why I went with the PPF is down the road, you know, like if we need to remove it or when the decal expire and if we want to take it off, it's a lot easier if we take it off with the paint protection film. Without that, it might damage the bumper. I've seen some of them like really bad, you know. And so this is just another way. Like $15 is not a lot, but it's gonna give me like a peace of mind that like maybe what, like 2-3 years from now, if I need to remove it, it's gonna come in like, you know, one piece and it should be easily just peel it off. Right, so all right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love the channel, please subscribe for more Tesla and discount sales promotions on this channel. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.